Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. The small community of Rock Creek is located where Rock Creek flows into the Kettle River. The surroundings are a mix of grassy hills, scattered forests, and wide skies, giving the region a quiet, rural character that has remained largely unchanged over time. Long before European settlement, this region was part of the traditional territory of indigenous peoples who traveled through the valleys following seasonal routes. The rivers provided water, food, and a reliable pathway through the landscape. These early connections to the land go back thousands of years, shaping how people understood and moved through this part of what is now southern British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Rock Creek's modern history began during the gold rush era of the mid-19th century. In 1859, gold was discovered along the creek, drawing prospectors into the area. The discovery led to the rapid development of a mining camp, and for a short time, Rock Creek became a busy and active place filled with miners searching for opportunity. As word spread, more people arrived, and the camp grew into a small but lively community. Stores, services, and basic infrastructure followed, supporting the influx of miners. However, like many gold rush settlements, the boom was relatively short-lived. As easily accessible gold became scarce, many prospectors moved on to other areas and the population began to decline. Despite the decline of mining, Rock Creek did not disappear. Ranching and farming gradually became the main activities in the area, supported by the valley's natural resources. The land proved suitable for agriculture, and over time, a more stable and permanent community took shape. This shift from mining to farming marked an important transition in the area's history. The location of Rock Creek also played a role in its continued importance. Positioned along what is now Crow's Nest Highway, the community became part of a key route through southern British Columbia. This connection helped maintain its relevance as a stopping point and link between larger centers. Today, Rock Creek is known for its quiet atmosphere and strong connection to its past. The surrounding landscape still reflects the same features that first attracted prospectors and settlers: water, open land, and access through the valleys. While the scale of activity has changed, the essential character of the place remains. Rock Creek's story is one of change followed by stability. From a brief period of rapid growth during the gold rush to a quieter life based on agriculture and community, it reflects a pattern seen across many parts of Western Canada. The traces of its past are still visible, woven into the landscape and the local way of life.
Thanks for watching!